How to add digital signature in Word. In this video, we'll explain in detail, so please watch the video till end. So if you are watching the video for the first time, then please subscribe our channel and let us know if you have any questions or suggestions in the comment section below. So let's start how we can put the digital signature in Word. First, you need to insert the digital signature in Word. To insert, go to Insert, Picture, select this device. If you don't have your signature, then you can take pen and paper, you can sign your signature, take your mobile or camera, take a picture and share to your computer. Later in this video, we'll explain if you want to draw the signature in Microsoft Word. So please watch the video till the end. And if you like the video, please like and share the video. So now you have to format the digital signature in Microsoft Word. How you can format? Select the picture or double click on the picture to get the picture format menu. Here first we need to crop the digital signature. Let's crop the digital signature, and then we have to make it wrap text so that we can move. You can do by right click wrap text, or you can go on top and select in front of text. So now our picture can be moved easily. Now I have to remove the background color of this digital signature. Then go to your correction. You can select your predefined color if you have running shortage of time. If you have enough time or you want to do it manually to look better, then go to picture correction and you can increase the format you want. You can play around the formattings the way you want. Once you are okay with that, then you can, let's say it is not looking good, this is fine for me, or reduce it a little more. Now okay, now close this. So now I can make it small and bring it here, but the problem is if I have background color. For example, if you go to design, I have page color is different color, let's say this color. And also if I move here, my signature text will be hidden and it will come to the front. So how I can make it transparent? To do that, first let's take the raw picture and modify it better way. Double click on the picture, go to remove background. So in this remove background, you have four options. First is make area to keep. It means whatever is coming as bold, it will be visible to keep. Now let's keep this K, I. If you want the underline, click on that. Then click keep changes. If you believe that if you have anything you don't want to keep, for example, I don't want to keep this area, then click on that. And to keep this area as well, let's keep this. If you're coming some white color here, so let's remove that area. Then click keep changes. So now I can make it small, can move anywhere you want. It will be on the top of my signature. And if my background color is different, let's say go to your design, page color, and it is perfectly fine for me. So now how you can draw the digital signature or create a digital signature in Word. To draw the digital signature, go to your draw section. So you have the draw menu. If you don't have the draw menu, right click on the menu bar, customize this ribbon and make sure this draw is ticked. So now in the draw sections, we'll take any pen you want and you can make the size small or bigger. You can select the color black, blue, yellow, red. So let's select black. So now we can draw the signature you want. If you have trackpad, because in mouse it may not be good, if you have trackpad attached to your system and you have track pen, you can draw it perfectly and it will be looking the exact your signature. Once you draw the signature, press escape. So now you can select the signature and you can move wherever you want. For example, instead of this, I'm looking for this and it will be perfectly fine. This is all about how you can add an electronic signature in Microsoft Word. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and like and share so that we can get motivated to add more videos for you. Thanks for watching.